You searched how to buy shares of Lake Shore Bancorp Inc. MD. Lake Shore Bancorp is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ with ticker LSBKUS, and this video is educational, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LSBKUS to locate the correct listing. Select the result that corresponds to Lake Shore Bancorp Inc. /MD on NASDAQ. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the right equity. Check the market, ticker LSBKUS, and the brief company description before proceeding. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, select Order Options, and then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will wait to execute when it opens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the example platform is in the description if you want to follow these steps.